Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter number 4 called as Internet Concepts. In this Internet Concepts, we will learn about Internet, email, use of search engine, importance of search engine, online education that is called as e-learning, e-commerce, life skills and social sites. First of all, I wanted to tell you Internet. Internet is a very vast network where we can sit in our home and send message to any part of the place, country, metro cities or anywhere throughout the world. Now let us see some history about internet. Internet was started in the year 1969 in US in a place UCLA. From there it started to Sri, and from there it started to University of UTAH. This was started in the year 1969. Then it was used in the year 1970 for defense officers, and it was also used in the Second World War to send the messages from one place to another place in US only. Then that is considered as ARPANET. Then slowly what happened later on, this ARPANET was opened for education purpose in universities, institutions and also for educational purpose. Like this how it keep on growing, called as internet. If you want to use internet, you must have some important things. First of all, you must know that what are the things required for internet. The things required for internet are modem, that is telephone line, for example Geo, Airtel, Tata Phone, BSNL, VSNL, MTNL. These all are phone lines. They in another word they are called as IPS. Sorry, ISP. That is Internet Service Provider. So first you want the system or a desktop, then you require a telephone line which can send and receive the data. Then we want modem. That modem is here. It is the front part of modem and it is the back part of modem. This modem uses RJ47 cable. It is connected to system also, and it is connected to telephone line and for this modem. From this modem it is connected and it will go to telephone line, but the work of the modem is to convert, or in another word it is called as modulator and demodulator. Modulator means our system, it collects the signal from the system and it converts into machine form, then it sends to satellite. From satellite it goes to ISP provider, that is nothing but BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, VSNL, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited, MTNL, Maharashtra Telecom Nigam Limited, and now some more are there, Airtel, Geo. I think so many children are using Geo. So this is how our internet starts working. The main platform of the internet is Google or Explorer, and one more is Mozilla Firefox. Some more ISP providers are there which I am showing you on the screen. This internet mainly uses World Wide Web, that is nothing but www must be there. Before that HTTP should be there, hypertext transfer protocol. Then two dots, that is nothing but colon, two slashes, then www dot will be written. Even though if you are not writing, nowadays computer due to advanced or artificial intelligence, computer is taking automatically HTTP and www dot google.com. This is the main platform for internet user, or Internet Explorer, or Mozilla Firefox, or Opera. All these are called as search engines. Some more are there which are not so much familiar, I think so, but still you know yahoomail.com, gmail.com, rediffmail.com, hotmail.com. See children, gmail.com is a app where you can send the messages, but whereas google.com is a platform with Google Plus, Drives, many are there in that Google platform. For example, Gmail, and one more thing is there, YouTube. So these all are the main platforms to enter into the internet world. How if you want to enter your home, main door is important now. If you are not entering from main door, you can't go into the living room also, nor in the bedroom also, or in puja room also. So same with this Google or Internet Explorer or Opera, like this many search engines are there. And one more also is there which is called as Bingo, SBINGO, bingo.com. That also helps to go to internet. Now through internet we will see that e-learning is also possible. E-learning is nothing but as anybody, ethernet learning. Ethernet learning means we have smart class in our school, as we call it as ICR1, ICR2, ICR3. E-learning, that is ethernet, ENTERNET. Internet means one server will be there. It is used in the organization, not outside. We can call it as internet only, but in between the organization, small internet world. One server will be there. In server we will uh, feed all the subjects, uh, everything what are topics are there in English, math, science, social, computer, as per CBSE or as per DAV, as per state syllabus. Completely everything we will feed into it. For example, how in dictionary all the words, meanings, phrases, nouns, everything is available now. If which word you want, you will go to that word and search. Same way, what topic or what subject you want in ethernet, you can open and see and learn. That is the work of smart classes. They are nothing but ICR in our school. Now let us see online education. Now what's going on is that is online education. In internet I am sending the class to you all. That is called as online education. Many are there. Byju's is there, Vedant is there, academic is there, India education is there. These all are the apps which will give you much more easy information about the particular chapter or topic. Now let us come to e-commerce. E-commerce means what? Anybody? Shopping. Yes, very good. You know very well. You know shopping to do sitting at home. You will order burger, pizza, Zomato. These all are the things which will send you food items. And some more are there. Snapdeal, Shopclose, Paytm, Amazon, Flipkart, Home Shop 18, Jabang.com. These all are the site which will send you many things. For example, dresses, home needs, kitchen items, systems, laptops. We can buy anything online with all these sites. Understood? Now, one more thing, we will go to life skills. Life skills means what? Life skills means cooperation, doing cooperation with our friends and classmates, setting goal for yourself. Self-worthy. Self-worthy means you must know your own respect or positive relation or courage or communication, decision making, responsibility, leadership, flexibility, sportsmanship, independence. These all come under life skills. Any doubt you have, you can ask me. My phone number is 9480503672. Stay at home, children. Stay healthy. Thank you.